OpenAI released ChatGPT-5, an unprecedented AI model that's changing the way we communicate with artificial intelligence. Quicker, smarter, multimodal, and safer than it's ever been. Keep watching to learn why it's a complete game changer. Today we're exploring something unprecedented. OpenAI's launch of ChatGPT-5, an AI milestone that's going to revolutionize all we thought we knew about conversational AI. Imagine conversing with an AI that not only gets your words, but also fully understands the underlying message behind them, recalls your tastes after long conversations, and is able to recognize images, text, and even videos with mind-boggling accuracy. This is no longer fiction. ChatGPT-5 is all this and more. It's the most developed AI language model yet, beating its predecessor ChatGPT-4 in nearly every possible aspect. ChatGPT-4 had already set the bar high. It revolutionized the way millions wrote, coded, learned, and created. But ChatGPT-5 enters the limelight with astounding gains in contextual comprehension. It recollects what you just told it a few hours ago and leverages that context effortlessly in the conversation. This translates into conversations with ChatGPT-5 feeling less mechanical and more human. The AI never gets lost, nor is it redundant. Instead, it remains contextually relevant, engaging, and intensely personalized. But more than anything, what really distinguishes ChatGPT-5 is its multimodal capabilities. Whereas ChatGPT-4 was able to deal with text very effectively, ChatGPT-5 goes further by being able to accept images as well as text. You can upload a picture of an intricate chart, a painting, or even a mock-up for a design, and the AI will read and talk through it in great detail. This combination of text and images provides an entirely new world of potential for creators, educators, researchers, and companies alike. And it's not just about what it can understand. ChatGPT-5 is faster and more efficient under the hood. OpenAI's engineers have refined the model architecture, enabling quicker response times and smoother interactions across devices. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing code, or troubleshooting technical problems, ChatGPT-5 makes the process feel instant and effortless. Another step up is in problem-solving and reasoning ability. ChatGPT-5 can handle more complex tasks, ranging from multi-step mathematical problems to sophisticated coding challenges. It engages in step-by-step logical reasoning with greater ease, resulting in fewer errors and improved explanations. For students, professionals, or anyone who requires expert advice, this improved reasoning is revolutionary. OpenAI has not neglected safety as an afterthought either. ChatGPT-5 includes enhanced ethical guardrails that are intended to recognize and steer clear of creating unsafe or biased responses. The model has enhanced comprehension of the purpose behind questions, lowering the chances of misinformation or unsuitable output. This makes the tool more dependable for companies, teachers, and regular users who want reliable AI support. When we contrast ChatGPT-5 with other top-tier AI models such as Google's Gemini or Anthropic's Claude, its singular combination of creativity, reasoning, and multimodal input distinguishes it. Gemini is best at pulling together information within Google's search environment to provide on-time facts. But ChatGPT-5 excels at producing creative content or exploring intricate challenges. Claude's emphasis on safety and interpretability is impressive, but ChatGPT-5 pulls it off with just the right balance between safety and versatility to be both strong and accessible. From a technical standpoint, the influence of ChatGPT-5 is already changing many real-world applications. For writers and content creators, it is an inspiring co-creator that can write stories, scripts, or even poems with ease. For developers, it's a smart coding companion that helps debug and generate code much faster than before. For researchers and students, it is a patient tutor that can break down difficult concepts into easy-to-understand forms and elaborate them according to one's learning ability. Companies also have a lot to benefit. Customer support bots built using ChatGPT-5 provide conversations that sound real and human, enhancing customer experience while minimizing support costs. Marketing teams can create personalized campaigns in a matter of minutes, informed by AI insights and imagination. Even data analysts receive assistance querying and interpreting vast datasets through easy conversational interaction. With the AI, casual users will love using ChatGPT-5 as an incredibly versatile helper, from organizing vacations and preparing dinner to handling calendars and even providing comfort with sympathetic dialogue. Its enhanced memory allows it to remember your tastes so that each interaction is more personalized and productive. This leap forward is no accident. It comes from years of rigorous research, including a massive training dataset that blends diverse sources. whether books, websites, videos, scientific papers, and more, giving ChatGPT-5 an encyclopedic knowledge base. OpenAI's advancements in transformer architecture and reinforcement learning from human feedback ensure the AI delivers responses that are accurate, coherent, and helpful. Privacy and ethics are integral to the design of ChatGPT-5. OpenAI has reinforced user controls over data, enabling people to decide how their conversations are employed to train further. Ongoing efforts at reducing bias and toxic outputs make this AI both capable and responsible. Transparency features enable users to comprehend why the AI responds as it does, or refuses particular requests, which builds trustworthiness. ChatGPT-5 presents creativity potential previously not available. Imagine AI-enhanced design software where you draw rough sketches and instantly get pro-level refinements. Or envision a real-time language translator that perfectly picks up cultural subtleties, making cross-border communication seamless. In the classroom, AI teachers learn dynamically about your learning style, giving you personalized guidance that accelerates comprehension and retention. Experts across the tech industry are already calling ChatGPT-5 a milestone. Leading AI, researchers praise its ability to act as a true collaborator rather than just a tool. Industry professionals see its potential to revolutionize productivity, creativity, and problem-solving on a global scale. OpenAI's commitment to blending innovation with safety is also applauded as the model sets new standards for ethical AI. If you're eager to experience ChatGPT-5 yourself, the good news is that it's already accessible through OpenAI's API, enabling developers to build powerful new applications. Early access is available through subscription plans like ChatGPT Plus, and Microsoft is integrating ChatGPT-5 into popular productivity apps such as Word and Excel, bringing AI-enhanced workflows to millions. This launch represents a milestone not only for AI fans, but for anyone invested in what technology's future holds. ChatGPT-5 is ushering an era in which artificial intelligence goes beyond memorized answers to intelligent collaboration. It will be increasing human ingenuity, augmenting knowledge work, and revolutionizing everyday life. Simultaneously, it challenges us to consider carefully how we responsibly employ AI, preserve privacy, and guarantee fairness. As AI becomes an increasing part of the fabric of our society, models such as ChatGPT-5 remind us of both the phenomenal promise and the vigilant stewardship needed to use this technology for the common good. So, has OpenAI changed the game? Without a doubt. ChatGPT-5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental leap forward in what AI can be. It's faster, smarter, safer, and more versatile, opening doors to possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Let's now explore some of the technical breakthroughs behind ChatGPT-5 that make all these improvements possible. First is the introduction of a new form of dynamic memory architecture. As opposed to earlier models with a restricted short-term memory, ChatGPT-5 has a layered memory system that is able to remember and draw upon previous conversations or information in different sessions. This allows it to create a richer picture of a user's preferences, work scenario, or projects in progress. Isn't a highly individualized AI experience? Imagine the possibilities when your AI remembers and anticipates your needs effortlessly. Ready to unlock your personalized AI assistant? Dive into ChatGPT-5 today and experience intelligence that adapts uniquely to you. In addition, OpenAI implemented a new training process called multitask meta-learning, wherein ChatGPT-5 can easily learn to perform new tasks without much retraining. This is the reason that the AI is capable of executing an unprecedented range of requests. From drafting a legal agreement to writing poetry with extremely high precision, the multimodal upgrades also arise from a highly advanced fusion model that reads images and text simultaneously, allowing ChatGPT-5 to interpret complicated image inputs in addition to written requests. This represents a gigantic leap for the flexibility of AI, obfuscating the separation between text-based assistants and visual recognition systems. Another under-the-radar but significant improvement is the model's capacity to demonstrate emotional intelligence in a more realistic manner. ChatGPT-5 better picks up on subtleties in tone, mood, and intent than its predecessors and responds with empathy where required, or adjusts its style based on the audience. This makes it especially valuable in use cases such as mental health counseling, customer service, or coaching. From an infrastructure standpoint, OpenAI put significant investment into distributed computing technologies so that ChatGPT-5 can scale elegantly over huge data centers with less latency. This guarantees that regardless of where users interact with the AI, the experience remains smooth, quick, and without interruption. Of course, one cannot overlook the impact of ChatGPT-5 on democratizing AI access globally. OpenAI's commitment to making this technology available through APIs and partnerships means developers everywhere can build smarter apps, startups can innovate faster, and educators can offer personalized learning at scale. This democratization is key to fostering innovation and inclusion. Looking forward, ChatGPT-5 paves the way for even greater things with AI. OpenAI is already testing it for use in robotics, virtual reality, and augmented reality platforms, especially where conversational AI will lead, support, and co-create in immersive experiences. Picture AI-based avatars that don't just speak but perceive and respond to the world as humans do, changing entertainment, training, and remote collaboration. These avatars can read your emotions, adapt their behavior in real time, and create immersive experiences that feel incredibly natural. Imagine having a virtual companion who truly understands you, making digital interactions as meaningful as face-to-face conversations. To creative professionals, ChatGPT-5 is not just a tool but a collaborator that shakes up ideas, comes up with unique insights, and streamlines workflows. It assists writers to get past writer's block, marketers come up with new campaign ideas, and designers prototype ideas quicker. In education, the capability of AI to personalize explanations, create interactive quizzes, and mimic real-life environments is transforming the way students interact with content. This learning model is highly personalized, adjusting in real time to accommodate multiple languages and cultures. At the same time, ChatGPT-5 has stronger security and safety measures to ensure its rollout is responsible. OpenAI collaborates regularly with outside auditors, ethicists, and the community to evolve stronger protections against abuse, misinformation, or privacy issues. So what do users need to remember when using ChatGPT-5? Although it is very powerful, it's worth remembering to treat AI like an assistant, one that offers information, ideas, and imagination, but not human judgment. Checking important facts, keeping an eye out for ethical use, and being transparent will be essential as AI becomes more deeply embedded in everyday life. To stay in the loop about everything AI, tech advancements, and receive advice on how to use tools such as ChatGPT-5 for your work or career, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next and let us know how AI is transforming your world. The future is chatty, innovative, and very exciting. And ChatGPT-5 is at the forefront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.